Okay, so in this video, we're going to quickly do the outline walls, the exterior walls, um, create two porches, and we're going to put the roof on, and we're going to do a high entry. Should be the speed runs. We're going to be going really fast on this video. Here we go. So I know my first dimension that I need to draw here is 45.6. So I'm going to come to a point here. Up. Just need to get it close. I'm coming over. And I need to go about 40 feet. And go up about 3. Go over about 13.4. That's fine. Need to go down to match. Need to go over about 13 feet. Go up about, I say 5 feet or so. Come over 13 feet down and across. Okay, so I need this dimension to be 45.6, so I click on the back wall, 5 foot 6 inches, enter. This dimension I need to be 40 feet. I'm going to come right here, click right here, 40 foot, enter. That needs to be 13.4. It looks like it is. Let's double check. Let's go from here to here. 4, it's fine. Now, this I need to be 3 feet. I'm going to click here. Click 3 foot. It's done. This should all be correct except for the porch. Now for the porch, I'm just going to double check this dimension real quick. One moment here. 4'8". Let's make it 5 feet. Just to round it out. 5 feet. 5 feet. That gives me that. Now I need to do this back porch and this wall section here. Let me go ahead and do that wall section. I'm going to come in here. Looks like it's somewhere around here. I'm going to go up, over, and down. Looks like I didn't quite get it right. Pull it out and go down. It's okay if it's not perfect. I can fix it. Okay. And looks like this dimension should be 6'4". You type in 6'4". Enter. Okay. And this needs to be 12 feet. You don't have to copy this in the same order that I did. You could certainly do the porch first and then work your way this way. So that's not something set in stone. Now we're going to go ahead and do an invisible wall section here. So this room divider, this is how we're going to create the porch. Find that edge there. We're going to come up. And we're going to go over. Looks like we're a little off. It's not a big deal. Okay, just pull it over to the corner there. It should line up. Looks like we're good here. This is a porch. I'm going to double click inside. I'm going to call it a porch. structure, -4 feet because we're dropping, or 4 inches because we're dropping the floor. And there we have our porch. Now we're going to go ahead and put a front porch here. It's like the overall is 7'2". So again, we're going to, in order to create our porch, we're going to pick our room divider, come here, pull up a little bit, and come over and down. It's like the overall dimension of this porch is 7'2". So we're going to come here, we're going to type 7'2". That gives us that porch. Again, you double click it, call it porch, click structure. We're dropping the floor -4 inches, and the ceiling on this, I believe, is 12'4". Let me double check. 12'4". Double click it. Get porch, structure, ceiling height 12'4". Floor -4 inches. Hit enter. Now, something we didn't do yet on this is specify the ceiling height 10 feet. If you look, it's only 8 feet. You can do that by going to your wrench, which is your default settings. Go to floors and rooms, floor levels, first floor, edit. And we're going to make that 10 foot. Hit enter. And done. So that should have changed this to 10 foot. 120 inches, so we're good there. And it should have changed this to 10 foot. 120 inches, so we're good there. Let's double check the porch, see if it went along with it. 124 inches, so we're good there. Okay, now let's quickly put on a roof. So we're going to go to our roof tools, which is here. And gonna pull. Let's double check that our roof, I believe the roof on this needs to be a 512, so let's make it a 512 pitch. Roof, edit. It's a 412, we want to make it a 5. And we're going to change the overchain to 16 inches. Hit OK. Hit done. Okay, now we need to go quickly put on a roof, so we're going to go here, slide this over, we're going to go here, slide this over, here, slide this over, and here, slide this over. Now we can pick this edge and this edge, create that corner, pick this edge and this edge, pick that corner. Now we're going to pick this edge and this edge, click that corner, and again this edge and this edge, and we will click that corner. Now we're going to select this edge and this edge, put them together, and we're going to pull this up like so. Now we have our basic roof. And let's take a look at the outside. Here we go. And you can see we have our elevated ceiling height here. So now we're going to do the porch roof. First, let's go ahead and slide this roof back so we can click here, and we're going to put what's called a break. This little zigzag line is called a break. You click on that and you can place the break on the wall, we're going to place the brake right here. And we need to put another brake. Let's go ahead and put another brake right here. And now you should have the ability to pull this up. Pull that up to the inside of this wall. And now if you look at your roof from the outside, you should have this. Okay. We're on the last step, which is the raised entry. Now what we need to do is select our ceiling plane here. We're going to put a ceiling plane right here. And we're going to slide in. We're going to put another one here. And we're going to slide in. We're going to put another one here. And we're going to slide in. Now, we're going to click on that corner or that side and this side. And sometimes it doesn't like to work. Let's try again. Okay, so it worked, but it didn't work. Let's go ahead and erase them. And let's try to make these smaller, because that's why it's not working. So we're going to go here to here, make them very small. Here to here, make it very small. Here to here, make it very small. Let's try again. There, that still did not work. There we go. Now it's getting better. Let's see what's going on. Top of plate 148. Let's pull our 3D. Okay. Looks like I need to pull this and now we can try again. There we go. Sometimes it's not working in one view. Go ahead and switch to the other. It might work there. We're going to do it here and here. See, again. So now what we'll do is we'll pull this back and we'll pull this back and we'll try again. There we go. Now we can select here and here. Oh, let's go ahead and do that one in the other view. Here and here. I see. Need to pull this back farther. Let's pull it back far. And let's pull this back far. Go here and here. And pull this up to there. And now if you look, you have this, which is fine. But we still have to do this point. How we do that? See these X's? We need to come up with an X in here. So we're going to click on this plane. And now we're going to click where these two meet. And it gave us that X. Now you're just going to grab this handle, pull it back to that X till it snaps. Grab this handle, pull it back until it snaps. And then you're going to go from this point, throw a 45. This point, you're going to throw a 45. Grab this handlebar, pull it down. Grab this handlebar, pull it down. And now you can simply click on this and hit delete. Now when you pull it up, it should look like that. Again, that was a speed run. I know it was fast, but you can pause and copy wherever needed. But yes, that was a speed run. Okay, that's the end of this video.